Hey there! Would you like to get this free ebook, Stop Dieting, Start Living Light? It's super easy.
Just watch this video all the way to the end, tap the like button, and make sure you're subscribed to our channel.
Then click the link below and fill out a quick form, and you'll soon receive your free ebook directly in your email. By doing this, you're helping our community grow and share science-based wellness with more people. Thank you for being part of Health and Wellness for All.
Every morning when you wake up, your body is already working behind the scenes, balancing hormones, managing energy, quietly asking, "What are you going to feed me today?" You reach for that first cup of coffee, maybe a toast, a juice, or that sweet smoothie that looks healthy. And you might not realize it, but every spoonful of sugar, every refined snack, every late-night dessert whispers to your body, store more fat, hold on to everything. Today, we're going to talk about sugar, what it really does to your belly fat, how to lose it, and how intermittent fasting can become one of the most powerful tools for weight loss. Because this isn't just another diet. It's about changing the rhythm. When you eat, what you eat, and how your body reacts. Sugar is everywhere, in sodas, cereal bars, natural juices, even those so-called healthy breakfast cereals. The problem is, sugar doesn't just give you a temporary boost of energy. It also triggers insulin, the hormone responsible for storing fat. And when insulin stays high for too long, your body begins to store everything you eat as fat, especially around your midsection. That belly fat isn't only about appearance. It's linked to insulin resistance, inflammation, slower metabolism, and chronic diseases. Now, imagine what happens when you combine too much sugar with irregular eating habits. Your body becomes like a bank that keeps accepting energy deposits, but never spends them. The excess gets stored. You wake up still full from yesterday's meals, you eat again, and your body keeps storing. The cycle continues. But what if you could break that cycle? What if you could signal your body to burn instead of store? That's where intermittent fasting comes in. It's not a diet. It's a timing strategy. It shifts the focus from what you eat to when you eat. Intermittent fasting helps improve insulin sensitivity, reduce blood sugar levels, and target abdominal fat. Studies show that eating within a restricted time window, for example, 8 hours of eating followed by 16 hours of fasting, can lead to lower body weight, smaller waist circumference, and reduced triglycerides. That's because when your body runs out of glucose, it naturally enters fat-burning mode. It stops depending solely on sugar for energy and starts using what's already stored, particularly belly fat. But let's be clear. Intermittent fasting is not a magic pill. It's a structure. If you fast all day and then binge on sweets or processed foods during your eating window, it won't work. Science shows that the key is consistency, not extremism. It's not about starving yourself, it's about balance and rhythm. So, how do you make it work? First, cut down on sugar, not just the obvious kind, the hidden one too, in bread, sauces, flavored yogurts, and fit cereals. Added sugar is one of the main culprits behind glucose spikes and fat storage. Replace sugary drinks with water, herbal teas, or black coffee. Keep your meals simple and as natural as possible. Then, define your fasting window. A common one is 16-8. 16 hours of fasting and 8 hours of eating. For example, finish dinner by 8 p.m. and don't eat again until noon the next day. During your fasting period, stay hydrated with water, unsweetened coffee, or tea. Your body will use that time to burn leftovers and reset itself. When your eating window opens, choose quality foods. Focus on lean proteins, fiber, healthy fats, and vegetables. Soluble fiber, for example, helps reduce belly fat. Research found that every 10 grams increase in soluble fiber per day was associated with almost 4% less belly fat gain over 5 years. So, oats, chia, flaxseed, legumes, fruits, and vegetables are your allies. If you combine all of this, less sugar, real food, intermittent fasting, and movement, your body starts to respond. Your insulin stabilizes, your metabolism accelerates, and that stubborn belly fat that once felt impossible to lose finally begins to melt away. It's not magic, it's biology. Now, let's talk about movement. Exercise amplifies the effects of fasting. Strength training, brisk walks, or short HIIT sessions help preserve muscle and turn your body into a fat-burning machine. When you keep your muscle mass high, your basal metabolic rate, the energy you burn at rest, increases. That's how you burn more fat, even when you're not working out. But there's another factor people often forget: stress and sleep. Stress raises cortisol, and cortisol sends fat straight to your belly. Lack of sleep disrupts hunger and satiety hormones, making you crave sugar the next day. Your body performs best when you respect its natural rhythm: sleeping well, eating on time, and keeping a calm mind. Less sugar and more sleep is one of the most powerful combinations for weight loss. When people ask how to lose belly fat, they often imagine doing hundreds of crunches or cutting out every carb. But the truth is, losing belly fat has more to do with hormonal balance, meal timing, and reducing sugar spikes than it does with exercise alone. Intermittent fasting creates the right environment for your body to burn instead of store. You don't have to live on salads or starve yourself. Just follow a consistent schedule and your body will adapt. Here's an example of what a normal day could look like. You wake up, drink a glass of water with lemon, maybe a black coffee. You skip breakfast. At noon, you enjoy a balanced meal: grilled salmon, a green salad with olive oil, vegetables, and a handful of berries. In the afternoon, a small snack of unsweetened yogurt with nuts. At dinner around 6 or 7 p.m., vegetables, lean protein, a bit of avocado. Nothing after 8 p.m. During the night, only water or herbal tea. While you sleep, your body stays in fat-burning mode, cleansing and repairing itself. After a few weeks, you start to notice the difference: a lighter stomach, steady energy, deeper sleep, and fewer sugar cravings. What once felt impossible now feels natural. And the best part is, it doesn't hurt. It's important to remember that visceral fat, the one around your organs, takes longer to burn, but it responds to time and consistency. It may be stubborn, but it's not invincible. Each week, your body learns this new rhythm. Your waist shrinks, your health markers improve, and the mirror starts to show progress that goes beyond appearance. It's metabolic and lasting. The most important word is sustainability. There's no point in choosing a plan you can't maintain. Find a window that fits your life. If you go to bed late, adjust your eating schedule. If you start work early, shift it forward. The secret lies in consistency, not rigidity. And remember, fasting isn't punishment. It's a pause, a way for your body to breathe and find balance. When you cut sugar, respect your biological clock, and let your digestive system rest, your body rewards you with energy, mental clarity, and less stored fat. Deep down, losing weight and belly fat isn't about eating less. It's about teaching your body to use what it already has. It starts with small daily choices: replacing soda with water, respecting your fasting hours, walking more, going to bed earlier. These small actions change everything. Every time you skip a sugary treat, respect your fasting window, or choose real food, you send a powerful message to your body. I'm in control. I choose to burn, not to store. And your body listens. It adapts because it's always working for you, as long as you give it the right conditions. So tonight, before you go to bed, decide what time will start and end your eating window tomorrow. Pick one sugary item to eliminate and follow through. Don't chase perfection, chase progress. If you flip one day, start again the next. Your body understands consistency, not punishment. Over time, you'll realize that losing belly fat doesn't require extreme sacrifices. It requires rhythm, awareness, and patience. Sugar will lose its grip on you, fasting will become second nature, and the scale will start to tell a new story: one of balance, health, and freedom from excess. You're not just losing weight, you're reprogramming your metabolism, you're taking back control of your body, and you're building a new version of yourself, one that understands that true health and beauty comes from respecting your body's timing. Because in the end, transformation doesn't come from extreme effort, it comes from daily care. Your body will thank you, and you'll discover that when you treat it with kindness, it responds with energy, lightness, and joy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care of yourself, trust the process, and never underestimate the power of a fresh start.
Hi. Before you go, don't forget to grab your free ebook packed with simple, science-based wellness tips that really work. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and click the link below. Stay healthy. See you soon.